everyone. Today I, Ronak of class 7-3, is here to tell you about Muhammad bin Tughlaq, one of the king of the Tughlaq dynasty. One of the king of Tughlaq dynasty. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a Sultan of Delhi from 1325 to 1351. He was the eldest son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the founder of Tughlaq dynasty. His wife was the daughter of Raja of Dilapur, born 1290 Multan, Pakistan, died 20th March 1351, Sindh, Pakistan, successor Firoz Shah Tughlaq, region 1 February 1325, 20 March 1351, house Tughlaq dynasty, place of burial Tughlaqabad Fort, Delhi. Who killed Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq? Ulgh Juna Khan. According to many historians, the Ibn Battuta, Safadi, Isami, and Vincent Smith, Ghiyasuddin was killed by his son Ulgh Juna Khan in 1325 AD. Juna Khan ascended to power as Muhammad bin Tughlaq and ruled for 26 years. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is one of the most interesting sultans of the Delhi Sultanate during medieval period, who ruled over the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent and Deccan from 1324 to 1351 AD. He succeeded his father Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq and was the most controversial rulers in Indian history. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq plan to shift his capital fail? By the time reached Dulatabad, Muhammad bin Tughlaq changed his mind and decided to abandon the new capital and move his old capital, Delhi. It is believed that he wished to shift the capital as a safeguard measure from Mongol invasions. The plan of shifting capital was completely failed. As also it is given in your book, you can see it from your book also. Token currency. He experimented with the idea of central capital and token currency but turned out to be complete failures. Muhammad bin Tughlaq dreamed of conquering Persia and China. When he tried to execute these two projects, it made disastrous results. What was the biggest mistake made by Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Biggest mistakes done by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq imposed a last tax on the peasants of the Ganga-Yamuna region. His administrative reforms failed. He emptied Delhi of his residents and garrisoned situations his soldiers there. Do you think Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a genius who thought much ahead of his time? Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a genius of his time because he thought of shifting the capital from Delhi to Kolkata, which would be safe. Also, he was the first one to think about fixed money values, coins, but the thing which he lacked was proper administration, which results in debates of today. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq become unpopular? Muhammad bin Tughlaq was popular because of his failed experiments. He, as a ruler, was way ahead of his time, but the situations around him brought him down. What do you know about Muhammad bin Tughlaq from an account of Ibn Battuta? Ibn Battuta served as a Qadi or judge for 6 years during Muhammad bin Tughlaq region. And I want to also tell that Ibn Battuta was not any historian or a writer. He was a visitor who visited in the Delhi Sultanate and he wrote about Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So let's continue. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was renowned as the wealthiest man in the Muslim world at that time. He patronized various scholars, Sufis, Qadis, wizards, and other functionaries in order to consolidate his rule. What is the other name of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Muhammad bin Tughlaq, also Prince Fakh Malik Juna Khan ul Khan, died 20th March 1351, as we saw in the previous one slide. Was the Sultan of Delhi from 1325 to 1351. He was the eldest son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the founder of Tughlaq dynasty. Why did he introduce token currency? Why did the introduction of token currency by Muhammad bin Tughlaq failed? Token currency failed not because of Sultan's faulty executions, There were gold and silver coins during his period. However, it became difficult for Tughlaq to obtain regular supply of gold and silver for minting coins. The traders refused to accept the coins and the economy collapsed. So that's end with my presentation. If you have any doubt, so you can see my video about Mohammed bin Tughlaq. I hope you have understand about Mohammed bin Tughlaq. Thank you. Or in their language, shukran.